Hey, it's Rob Welcome to Shipa, and today on our Shipa short, we're going to take a look at adding a cluster to Shipa. So after creating a framework, the next step is to connect a cluster. Let's go ahead and do that. Go ahead and click on Connect Cluster, or come to Clusters and Add Cluster. I actually have a fresh Oracle Kubernetes cluster here, so I'm just going to go ahead and call my cluster OKE. Previously, I have created a framework called Generic Framework with the Quick Start. Go ahead and click Next. And to connect a cluster, there are three separate pieces of information you need. You need a Kubernetes API endpoint, which the command could be on this tooltip. You need a token based off the service account, and a CA certificate. So let's go ahead and start getting those pieces together. So the first piece is, let's go ahead and get the Kubernetes endpoint. Just copying and pasting the tooltip. We can actually grab this particular address here. Also, depending on your cloud vendor, that information might be available via the UI, which is right here. Let's go back into the dashboard and add that. So the next step is we actually need to get a token based off of role. And so there is a service account that Shipa needs to connect. So we're going to go ahead and apply that and then get the token from that. Go back to terminal. Let's go ahead and apply that particular YAML file. Then now let's go ahead and get the token from that. And this command is actually available in the tooltip. Go ahead and go back to terminal. Copy and paste that in. And lastly, we need a certificate. Also, we can go ahead and grab that from the tooltip. Let's go ahead and grab the certificate, paste that in, and click Next, and click Create. And in a few moments, the cluster should be ready. Now we can follow along by seeing what's being installed. And if you can see that Cert Manager is being installed, and also after that, Shipa will be starting to get installed. And the Shipa containers are being installed now. And that should be it for the containers. If we go back to, or the pods, if we go back to the UI, we should see the clusters added. And our cluster was successfully added. Now we're actually ready to start to apply workloads to the cluster with an application. Hope this was helpful how to attach a cluster. Until next time, cheers, Ravi.